In this video, we will learn how to add a basic machine to FloorVisio for your facility. We will click on View. Hover over Settings. Hover over TV Display Settings. We will select Machine Setup. If the machine is not in this list of active and inactive machines, we will select Add New. Select or click on View Edit, and we will give the machine a name. Location. What this is for is if your corporation has multiple locations, you could type the city and state here or something that would help you identify where the machine is located at. The default setup in seconds, we're gonna say it takes 30 minutes to set up this machine on average. The efficiency, what this is for is you can reduce the efficiency on this machine so that you can take into account things like operator fatigue. Cost per hour in setup, we're gonna say it's $125 an hour to set up, and that it's $75 an hour to run it. Number of people is how many people it takes to run this machine. And so we'll stick with 1. Then the notes are just notes you can add to this machine. So once this is filled out, we will select Add Machine. Now this is a basic setup for machines, so we will cover most of these fields here in the advanced setup of machines. But for now, we want to just do a basic setup, and so we will click Time Only. And what that will do is go ahead and fill in these hours, minutes, and seconds and set these fields up for us automatically. And so after clicking the Time Only, we will select Save Machine. And that machine has now been added. We can go back to the selection of machines, and we'll see that sample machine is here and it is active. At a later time, once your system is up and running and you get more familiar with it, we can look at the more advanced machine editing and addition, and you can access that video here of adding a machine in FloorVisio Advanced.